Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own barbecue sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a base like ketchup, some vinegar for tang, and a selection of spices. Make sure you have a saucepan and a whisk on hand. Measuring everything precisely is key to a balanced flavor profile, so take your time with each component. Now let's combine everything. Pour your ketchup, vinegar, and any other liquid ingredients into your saucepan. Add all your dry spices next. Whisk the mixture continuously until it's smooth and there are no lumps. Then, bring the sauce to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Let your barbecue sauce simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken. During this time, taste it and adjust any seasonings. You might want more sweetness, a bit more heat, or extra tang. Continue simmering until it reaches your preferred thickness. Once your barbecue sauce has reached the perfect consistency and flavor, remove it from the heat. Let it cool down completely to room temperature. This is important before transferring it to storage. Pour the cooled sauce into an airtight container or jar. You can then refrigerate your delicious homemade barbecue sauce for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.